For years, iOS app marketing has felt like trying to sell a car using only mime. You can wave your hands, make engine noises, maybe pretend to roll down an imaginary window, but at the end of the day, the customer's still guessing what they're really buying. Thanks to Apple's privacy rules and limited ad formats, app advertisers have been pitching in the dark, hoping users would download first and figure out later whether the app was worth the space on their phones. Well, Google finally decided enough was enough. They're now giving iOS advertisers actual tools to play with, literally. The latest updates to iOS app install campaigns introduce interactive ad formats that move beyond static banners and soulless install buttons. We're talking co-branded YouTube ads with creators, yes, the influencers are here to stay, and playable end cards that let people test drive your app before they commit. And let's be real, this is a game changer. The big headline here is the addition of playable end cards. Instead of watching another generic ad where an actor pretends to be blown away by tapping a fake screen, users can now actually mess around with a lightweight demo version of your app. Think of it as letting someone take your product for a spin around the block before signing the paperwork. For users, it's a win. Nobody wants to waste storage on a free app that's basically a glorified slot machine. A quick demo tells them exactly what they're getting into. For marketers, it's even better. People who install after playing around, they're warmer leads. They've sampled the goods, they know what to expect, and they're less likely to ghost your app 2 minutes after downloading. Translation: fewer installs that lead to tumbleweeds and more installs that actually turn into active users. The second creative shakeup, co-branded YouTube ads. This means Google's expanding placements where influencers' content blends seamlessly with app ads, showing up in places like Shorts or in-feed ads. Now, before you roll your eyes at the idea of another influencer shilling skincare apps, remember this: people trust creators more than brands. Sad but true. Authenticity sells, and creator-driven ads often feel less like a sales pitch and more like a recommendation from a friend. By plugging these formats into iOS campaigns, Google's giving advertisers a chance to ride the creator economy wave directly inside the ad ecosystem. That's huge, especially since traditional app ads often scream corporate from a mile away. If your target audience already follows a creator and trusts them, sliding your app into that mix feels natural, almost sneaky. Here's the kicker: iOS has always been the tougher nut to crack when it comes to advertising. Thanks to Apple's app tracking transparency rules, marketers can't rely on the same behavioral signals they use on Android. Attention is scarcer. Measurement is fuzzier. Every install feels like winning a claw machine game where the claws are greased. So when Google introduces ad formats that actually engage users and give them more control, it's more than just a shiny new toy. It's survival. Interactive, creator-driven formats help overcome the loss of tracking signals by making the creative itself do the heavy lifting. Instead of trying to outsmart privacy walls, you're giving users a compelling reason to care before they even hit install. If you zoom out, this isn't just about Google making app marketing easier. It's about the evolution of advertising itself. Static ads are dinosaurs. They yell, they flash, they annoy. Interactive ads, on the other hand, invite participation. They pull users in, let them experience something, and then leave them with the choice to continue. It's less, here's an ad, now deal with it, and more, wanna play? That shift matters, because the more interactive ads become, the less they feel like ads at all. Bottom line, Google's new iOS ad formats aren't magic. They won't make your app a hit overnight, and they won't fix a bad product. If your app sucks, playable demos might actually hurt you. But they will give marketers sharper tools that blend interactivity, authenticity, and transparency in ways that actually make sense for today's users. The future of app advertising isn't about shouting louder. It's about letting people try, touch, and play their way into becoming customers. And for once, that feels like a marketing update worth paying attention to. Are you an agency, SEO professional, independent contractor, or small to medium business? PosiRank is your ultimate solution for SEO management. With intuitive automation tailored to your needs and A+ link building, we've got you covered. Let's boost your online presence and drive impressive ROI together. So head on over to posirank.com and join the community today.